Welcome to Seeking Alpha's Wall Street Breakfast, where we cover the top news for investors every morning. Good morning. Today is Monday, November 4th. I'm Julie Morgan. Nissan and Mitsubishi are partnering up. Stonepeak is reportedly near a deal to acquire ATSG, and Palantir reports earnings today. Nissan Motor and Mitsubishi will form a joint venture by the end of fiscal 2024 for services involving electric vehicles and self-driving cars. According to the report by a Japanese media outlet, the JV will aim to provide robotaxi services using Level 4 autonomous driving technology and at-home EV battery storage, among other services. Nissan is currently developing the robotaxis while Mitsubishi is working to commercialize a system that uses artificial intelligence to figure out optimal routes. The companies are targeting to launch the robotaxis initially in Japan. The JV will also work on providing a service that connects EVs to homes and power grids, which would allow people to use electricity stored in their cars at home or sell it to power companies. It will also explore the collection of used EV batteries for secondary use and recycling. The venture will be funded equally by both companies, with verification tests expected to begin in 2025, according to the report. Stonepeak Infrastructure Partners is nearing a deal to acquire Air Transport Services Group in a $3.1 billion deal, according to a report by Reuters on Sunday, which cited people familiar with the matter. According to the report, Stonepeak would likely pay $22.50 per share for ATSG, a 30% premium from the company's closing price on Friday. Sources said the deal would include debt, and the deal could be announced as early as today. Neither Stonepeak nor ATSG immediately responded to requests for comment by Seeking Alpha. ATSG is expected to report its Q3 earnings on Friday. Palantir Technologies is set to release its Q3 earnings report after the market closes today, with expectations of 29% EPS growth and a 26% increase in revenue. On a year-to-date basis, shares of the Denver-based company have climbed over 142%. RBC Capital Markets continues to see Palantir's valuation as unsustainable, absent a substantial beat in Q3 and outlook raise. However, Seeking Alpha contributor Michael Del Monte sees the company positioned for significant growth across its government and commercial customers, with contracts expanding and being extended with AIP. Over the last 2 years, Palantir has beaten EPS estimates 75% of the time and has beaten revenue estimates 88% of the time. I have a few other articles that I'd like to tell you about that you can find on Seeking Alpha. Election-proof Walmart is tipped to see gains amid market uncertainty. OPEC Plus delays the 2.2 million barrel per day increase until the end of December. And of course, we have a look at your earnings week ahead. We just talked about Palantir, but there are several more big names to talk about, including Paramount, Lucid, and Rivian. On our Catalyst Watch, Trump Media and Technology dominates the list of options trading with high implied volatility. Short interest is elevated on Spirit Airlines and Hertz Global. Some of the stocks expected to move based on the election results include Geo Group, Core Civic, Rumble, and NextEra Energy. The analyst quiet periods expire on KinderCare Learning, Upstream Bio, Star Fashion Culture, SKK Holdings, and SkyQuery to free up analysts to publish ratings. The IPO lockup period expires on blocks of shares of Zeekr Intelligent, which has the potential to put downward pressure on shares. VMware will hold its VMware Explore event in Barcelona. Broadcom acquired VMware last year. And the 2-day Gabelli Funds Automotive Symposium will include participation from AutoNation, AutoZone, Dana, Genuine Parts Company, Penske Automotive, and MP Material. Now for a look at the markets today. As of 6 a.m., Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ futures are in the green. Crude oil is up 2.4% at $71 a barrel. Bitcoin is up 0.5% at $68,000. In the world markets, the FTSE 100 is up 0.6% and the DAX is flat. And the market in Japan is closed today for a holiday. Viking Therapeutics is on our list of the biggest movers of the day pre-market. VKTX is up 25% on promising early results for its experimental obesity pill, which showed increased weight loss at higher doses. On today's economic calendar, at 10 a.m., factory orders. That's it for today's Wall Street Breakfast. Thanks for listening. For a full offering of news, analysis, ratings, and data on stocks and ETFs, become a premium subscriber. Learn more at seekingalpha.com/subscriptions. I'm your host, Julie Morgan. Go out and make it a great day.